Binary operation. What is binary operation? Binary means two elements, two numbers. Here operations means mathematical operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, or combination of these operations. Generally, we use these operations between two numbers. Like observe these examples. These are the operations between two numbers. You try to understand why they named binary operations. These are the operations between two numbers. Now we'll try to understand the definition of a binary operation. To understand the definition of a binary operation, you must know the definition of a function. You can find my video on definition of a function. In this chapter, the operation is denoted by symbol star. Wherever you see star, this star symbol, the symbol star represents addition or subtraction or multiplication or division or combination of these operations. You will come to know later what is this combination of operations. It is like this combination of operations. Now we will see the definition of binary operation. An operation star is said to be binary operation on set A if star is a function from A cross A to A. The relation star must be a function from A cross A to A. Then the operation star is called binary operation. Now let's have a quick look at what is A cross A. Let the set A is equals to 1, 2. What is A cross A? You already know how to find Cartesian product of two sets. Just revising how to find Cartesian product of sets. To understand this chapter, you must know the definition of relation and function. This is the definition of binary operation. Now I'll try to explain this definition with the following examples. See this example. Addition is a binary operation on set of natural numbers. Just think, I'm asking question to you. Addition is a binary operation on set of natural numbers. How to answer this question? To answer this question, we will check addition is a function from n cross n to n or not. I'll consider a relation from n cross n to n. What is the relation here? What is the relation here? Addition. It is important. Addition. See, what are natural numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. It is an infinite set. N is an infinite set. Now we will see what are the elements in n cross n. N cross n is also infinite set. As you know Cartesian product of sets, you know what are the elements in n cross n. These are the elements in n cross n. N cross n is also infinite set. As the relation is addition, 1 plus 1 is 2. 1 plus 2 is 3. 1 plus 3 is related to 4. You say yes, 2, 1 is related to 3. 2, 2 is related to 4. 2 plus 3 is 5. You observe here in first set n cross n. Observe all the elements, how they are related. In first set, sum of any two natural numbers is again a natural number. So if you observe all the elements in set n cross n, definitely there exists one element in n. We can observe that for every element in set n cross n, there exists unique element in n. Or in simplest way, we know how to check whether it is a function or not. Every element in set n cross n is used, it is used only once. So addition is a function from n cross n to n. Therefore, addition is a binary operation on set n. Similarly, we can observe the operation subtraction is binary operation on set n. You observe for the element 1, 1 set n cross n, there is no element in set n. You observe here for the element 1, 1. 1 minus 1 is what? 0. 0 is not in set n. That means when the operation is subtraction, there is no element in set n. So subtraction is not a function from n cross n to n. Therefore, subtraction is not a binary operation on n. Subtraction is not a binary operation on set n. You take subtraction of any two natural numbers is again not a natural number. So subtraction is not a binary operation on set n. Similarly, division is also not a binary operation on set n, because for the element 1, 2 there is no element 1 by 2 in set n. Therefore, division is not a binary operation on set n. You take an order pair from n cross n. For that every order pair there exists an element in set n or not. It can be easily understood division is not a binary operation on n. In other words, binary operation can also be defined as follows. It is important definition. We will discuss about this more in next class. For every a comma b belongs to n, a star b is also belongs to n, then star is called binary operation on set n. In next class we will discuss more about this, and it is very important one. For every a comma b belongs to n, a star b also belongs to n. We will discuss about this in next class. Please observe that addition of any two natural numbers is again a natural number. Please think. Stop looking at what I am writing. Please think. Sum of any two natural numbers is again a natural number. As we are doing this addition from first standard onwards, you just think sum of any two natural numbers is again a natural number. Yes, sum of two natural numbers is again a natural number. Because of this reason, addition is a binary operation on set of natural numbers. Observe the subtraction. Subtraction of any two natural numbers is again a natural number. Please think. Subtraction of any two natural numbers is again a natural number always. You observe the example 1, 2. 1 minus 2 is minus 1. Subtraction of any two natural numbers is always not a natural number. That's why subtraction is not a binary operation. Observe the multiplication. Multiplication of any two natural numbers is again a natural number. Please think. Yes, multiplication of any two natural numbers is always again a natural number. So, multiplication is a binary operation on set of natural numbers. Similarly, you can observe other operations like subtraction, multiplication, division are binary operation on set of integers or not. Subtraction, if we take, subtraction of any two integers is again integer always. Please think, subtraction of any two integers is always an integer. Yes, because of this reason, subtraction is a binary operation on Z. You observe that subtraction is not a binary operation on natural numbers, but subtraction is a binary operation on Z. In next class, we will discuss more easy way to check given operation is binary operation or not. With this arrow mark is there, no? That example, that way we will discuss. If you like this video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Like, subscribe, share so others can get benefit. Thanks for watching. See you in next class.